Bum 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 bum. What's up guys, I'm Ashley and today I'm going to show you how I cut out and made this Nutcracker 18-inch door hanger. You can look at my previous video where we actually went through and designed this, and this thing is a super quick project and it's going to be perfect for Christmas time. I know it's technically July, but I'm having fun doing Christmas in July, so hopefully you guys enjoy this project. This project cut pretty quick on the Glowforge. For this project, I decided to use 1/4 inch MDF since MDF cuts like butter on the Glowforge, and I typically just use MDF for projects like this. Once everything was cut out, I hit it with a coat of primer spray paint because MDF loves to soak in paint. I did decide to use spray paint for this project just to make it quicker. Now for the hair, I was going to use this vintage white paint, but it wasn't working properly, so I just ditched it in the end. I did blue for his coat, and then I decided on gold for the trim just to make it pop a bit more. So once I did the hair and the accents in black, it was time to glue everything together. Now for this project, I am using my favorite super glue of all time, Star Bond, and I use the thick version because it comes out like a gel. Now this bottle was at the end of its life, so I really tried to get every last drop out of it. And for the very last thing to glue on, I did have to get my backup Gorilla super glue for it. So I just used hand pressure to clamp everything together, and I couldn't use any wood glue for this project since I had painted all the surfaces. So because this glue is gel-like, you do have to be careful when you're putting pieces down because it can shift since the gel is a little bit thicker. So I just had to really make sure I was careful and didn't let things slide around too much as I was putting pressure on it to clamp it down. For all these different accent pieces too, I did engrave a score line, that way it was easier to place everything together. Overall, I super love how this project came out, and my sister decided to add a bow to it at the last minute, and it really brought this project to life. I cannot wait to put it up at Christmas time. Well guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. This file will be available for purchase if you want to make it yourself, or if you want the DIY kit, there'll also be a link down below in the description to my Etsy shop where you can buy this kit as well. So thanks for watching guys. See you later. Bye. Bye.